What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I search for crypto gems all the time. I'm looking for ones that could potentially go from maybe a $10 million market cap, maybe a $30 million market cap, to a 300 million, to a $3 billion market cap, to have that sustainability. And sustainability goes for a lot of these projects that we're looking for, but we see in the crypto market that we can't really find that sustainability. We can't really find that strength that stays where it is. It increases and then decreases right away for everything. We see it right now that Bitcoin has fallen. We see that Ethereum has fallen. We see that BNB has fallen, and all of these other projects have fallen. Especially the meme coins dropping by like 15 or 20% or 30% at the time of recording this video, on the day of recording this video. But understanding that portion of it, we want to find something that is stable, that is one, stable, that is two, going to give us a massive gain, and three, that has a great use case to it and could honestly continue to propel forward as more become familiar with that. So I think I have something to bring to the table, and that play is Cynicus. It's a play that was brought to me in my live stream earlier today, on March 5th. It was brought to my attention, telling me that this looks like a good project and that I should review what they have to offer. So I went to go review the overall position. I was like, there's no real red flags that are here, just looking at the investment side of things. And then you started to dive into the chart and you're like, it's getting better and better as time goes on, as you look into it. So again, don't just take my word for it. I will show you all the information that I have here, and I want you guys to do your own research into the plays yourselves so that you can make those decisions for yourselves. That's how you get to be a better investor, and that's how you end up making a decent amount of money throughout time. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, as well as the links that are at the top of the description. I'll provide all of the links for Cynicus down there. And if you want to, buy it or get it yourself, or do your research throughout these links, feel free to click those. But let's talk about Cynicus in this video. If we currently wanted to just look at the website, the greatest wealth creation effect of our modern age. Treasury-backed ecosystem of DeFi products built for longevity and user empowerment. Cynicus will continue to reward stakeholders simply buy and stake, which we will go into the app in a little bit. Earn yield on an appreciating asset like never seen before. Cynicus mechanism represent a new era in DeFi. It uses simple yet detailed mechanisms to reward stakeholders and drive sustainable treasury growth. Participate. Every trade with Cynicus, whether buying, selling, staking, or unstaking, fuels the perfectly designed ecosystem. This cycle promotes a steady treasury growth, rewarding the patience of long-term holders while profiting on short-term traders. People who sell Cynicus tokens contribute to the rewards of those who remain staking with Cynicus. So I like that because it promotes that you're going to be holding it longer, sort of like how you have an ETF. An ETF where you have an ETF that pays you. You have dividends that you're getting paid by it. But honestly, the sellers don't get any type of, don't reward any of the longer term holders. You see some of the dividends that come in that are benefiting a lot of those longer term holders. And I look at it similar to that, right? As whatever the selling does for this, the similar aspect to that would be dividends being paid out to ETF holders there. And you're getting a form of an APY in the form of, when you're staking, as well as seeing the overall position run based on that. Staking. By staking your Sync tokens, you are helping the operational stability of Sync. By reducing the supply of Sync, you ensure the stability and liquidity of the ecosystem. The more Sync you stake, the more rewards you receive. It is a win-win. You earn while supporting the token strength and value. The first protocol where selling is good for holders, right? Instead of being bad for holders like we're seeing now with the entire market. If we wanted to enter the app to understand this maybe a little bit more, we're going to see that we have the market cap, we have what's staked, we have the treasury balance, the APY as well, all the revenue and how that is translated over the number of days, and the market value of treasury assets there and how that has grown over time and where it stands, right? Maybe it's standing at 22, it's standing at 7, it's standing at 11, or whatever. Right now it says it's 11.7. And then you also go into the staking tab to give you all the staking information. If you wanted to get your balance, you wanted to link everything, you can. Currently it's a 75.5% APY. And you're looking at $24.6 million that has been staked overall. You also have lending and affiliates, and you can go into a lot of the documents. But what I want to do is go into CoinMarketCap to understand where this truly stands. So if we look at the long term for this, the long term price that this has gone up, or percentage that this has gone up, is 604%. This is increased over the last month, 604%. That's massive. And it's amazing to see it, look that great. They say when in doubt, zoom out, because then you get to see the bigger picture and what it really looks like, what it really gives you, right? If you were looking at this and this was an ETF, you would see that many people would continue to buy this because the movement is just skyrocketing, right? It's just upward, and you really don't see that level to where it's absolutely diving below previous, highs, right? It's creating new high, new low, new high, new low in many different scenarios over the last month. If we look at the last 7 days, it's up 70%. Over the last day, it's up 32%. And this is really telling. The reason why this is really telling is because if you scroll up here, you're going to see that the entire market is down by 7%, meaning that Cynicus stability and, level of growth is outweighing the negativity that we see within the entire market, right? Because everything else is falling. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, meme coins, all of those things are falling right now, but you see Cynicus that's actually up 32%. You see that it's up to a $30.7 million market cap and seeing $3.09 million in volume. Volume to market cap ratio of about 10%, and so on and so forth. Now, if you wanted to know where to purchase this play, if you wanted to get into it and see what it's all about based on you investing, you see that it's on Uniswap V2. You see that it's on MEXC. And also you have, just 4 overall pairings, right? With Uniswap again. So with that being said, you have different places to purchase it. And I would imagine you're going to see even more places as time goes on with this play. Currently sitting at a $30.7 million market cap. No real red flags, nothing really to worry about, at least from my perspective and what I see there. But I'm interested to see what they do going forward, and how they grow going forward. Because again, this has seen growth after growth after growth when it comes to day after day after day. And you look at the last month, again, up 604%. So with that being said, I want you guys to take everything I say with a grain of salt. I want you to understand what I'm displaying here and, look at it and research it for yourself, because the research that you do and the different things that you look at will tell you if it's a buy for you, because it's all depending on your decision. So check out those links down below. I'll provide all the links to Cynicus down there. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.